Well, in a strong statement that underscores a growing concern over the Dharamsthala burial case, Advocate Umapati has slammed the ongoing investigation, calling it deeply unsatisfactory. He pointed out that despite the horrific nature of the crime, allegedly involving massive rape, mass murder and mass burials, no special investigation team has been formed yet. He further criticized the fact that the case is being handled by a 28-year-old sub-inspector, questioning whether someone with such limited experience is equipped to manage a case of this magnitude. The advocate has called for an SIT led by senior and well-respected IPS officers to take charge immediately. With the gravity of the allegations only growing, pressure is now mounting on the government to act decisively. Belly Thomas, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast to talk more about this. Belly, obviously valid points there from this prosecutor, saying that this is an important case. It cannot be handled in a way which makes it look insensitive.
Certainly, we need the advocate. The delegation of advocates even had met with the chief minister and advised him to constitute an SIT, which would be court monitored as well. One retired high court judge will have to monitor the investigation, as well as it should be presided by an IPS senior IPS officer. Is also what their demands were when they met with the chief minister on this Dharmasthala mass burial case. So this case is involving a person who is a sanitation worker who has come up with submitting his statements before a magistrate, stating that from the year 1998 onwards until 2014, there have been multiple burials that he had made in Dharmasthala of women and children, a lot of whom are schoolgirls, is what he had alleged, and he knows where and which body was buried where, and he could help the authorities in exhuming the body, is what he has mentioned. So this was the case taken up by the Dakshina Kannada police, headed by the SP, and there has been an investigation carried out. However, the advocates are feeling that a 28-year-old sub-inspector has been put as an investigating officer in this case, which shouldn't be the case, as this is a huge case of this magnitude. We're talking about around nearly 400 women, mostly who have been inflicted with sexual violence, is what he alleges. So there has been a hue and cry over this issue now, as the government, Karnataka government, will have to constitute an SIT, which would be presided by a senior IPS officer, as well as a court-monitored investigation. Are their demands, Penny?
All right, really appreciate you joining us.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.